Kane, look at the birdie. I'm gonna go get some bread. What is that? I want to see over
He's
here.
like not looking at this.
Here, eat this. Kane, look. What's that? Nina.
The bird's not
What is
eating
that?
it.
What's that?
Okay, they're gonna feel cornered and start attacking somebody.
Oh, baby, what is that?
What is that?
What is that, baby?
Oh my God.
Oh.
I'm fucking scared as hell. Look at that one, how it's looking at me.
It's not looking at you, silly. Nina, don't go to near the water. Nina, scared the birds. Nina, just come
Sorry,
here.
I just realized I'm scared of birds because I've never been like so close to.
I think this is kind of entertaining. Can you bring my son to the bird, please? Your godson loves birds. I've never seen someone run so fast.
Oh my God. You guys just looked at me and fucking pointed his
And put it in his face.
Hold on. If I have something to hit it with, then I'm okay.
No, don't hit the bird. It didn't do nothing to you. Go. Go. You ready?
You guys are like fucked up. You want me to hold the camera?
No.
No, it's like pointing.
You're making Kane scared. You're a horrible hostess.
Look at. You guys are not taping the geese. You're making it look like I'm being...
I am taping the geese. Go closer. About to lay an egg.
They lay an egg. Can I squish it?
No, that's mean. Ooh.
I'm sorry.
Just like go and see his face.
You go over there next to the freaking geese.
Kane's face on his back. Y'all are hella far. It's just hungry.
I don't know.
They're gonna attack me now.
Very funny. Oh my God, look at it. Like,
Why is there a part of his beak up here?
I don't know. I think I don't want to tell you because, like, when you asked me about the third eye thing, I don't know. I'm going to give you some wrong information. Oh, my bad. Are you okay?
He said, "Why the hell didn't you bring any crackers?"
I know. I didn't bring any crackers, baby. It's hot.
Where's the ice cream truck?
Okay.
Walk to the window.
The bird. What's up?
I want a truck for crackers.
And I have money.
They didn't, like, used to feed it.
I know.
It's hella fun feeding it.
Oh, I'm okay. I'm not.
Can I get my money out of the car? And go so far.
I don't even know what I'm taping.
As long as it doesn't
Can I
touch
take?
me, oh my God.
Wait, no, baby.
I'll take it.
Okay.